Rolling up black windows once you go down. You must be crazy if you think that I'ma slow down. I wanna hear it talking shit from the drama. Keep it coming up and send you to your mama. Just a whip, 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 got the guns out. Dropping bodies in the place till the sun's out. Can't fuck with me, bullets fly. Bullets fly, I'm the last one to die. Slow down, I wanna hear it talking shit, fuck the drama. You keep it coming, I'ma send you to your mama. Mr. Whip, quick clip, get the guns out. Dropping bodies in the place till the sun's out. Can't fuck with me, so don't even try. Cause when the bullets fly, I'm the last one to die.
Where the neon glows, every block tells a tale the whole city knows. Rhythms in the shadows where the cold wind blows. Life's a gamble on these streets, anything goes. Boom bap echoes through the alleys at night. Soulful samples lift the darkness to light. Beat kicks pounds like a heartbeat fight. These gritty vibes keep my story in sight. Paint the struggle and climb. The clock keeps spinning but I'm owning my time. Words like puzzle pieces fitting tight in the rhyme. Snares punch louder than the city's own shine. Boom bap echoes through the alleys at night. Soulful samples lift the darkness to light. Beat kicks pounds like a heartbeat fight. These gritty vibes keep my story in sight. Each corner whispers a hero fell. Smooth flow cutting through the urban scale, where truths are spoken and tales unveiled. Boom bap echoes through the alleys at night. Soulful samples lift the darkness to light. Beat kicks pounds like a heartbeat fight. These gritty vibes keep my story inside. At night, soulful samples lift the darkness to light. Deep kicks pounds like a heartbeat fight. These gritty vibes keep my story in sight. boulevard, sun hitting my shades. Riding low and slow, this vibe never fades. Palm trees dancing in the hazy sunlight glow. West Coast rhythm, let the good times flow. Cruising, grooving, feel that funky breeze. Talk about singing, setting spirits at ease. From the hills to the shore, ain't no second guessing. In these Cali streets, we count every blessing. Bumping trunk ride smooth, neighbors nodding heads, they catching the groove. That's right. Chrome rims spinning, reflections of dreams on these West Coast streets. Nothing's what it seems. Hey, hey, let me see your hands up high. Hands up. We vibing now till the moon hits the sky. Ooh, yeah. Talk box wailing like a voice from the stars. This coast culture lives in our hearts, no scars. Cruising, grooving, feel that funky breeze. Talk box singing, setting spirits at ease. From hills to the shore, ain't no second guessing. In these Cali streets, we count every blessing. On a corner stoop, see what's good. Laughter echoes loud through the laid back beat. Golden hour grin, city lights start to shine. West Coast flavor, every moment divine. You know. What's good? Laughter echoes loud through the laid back beat. Golden hour green, city lights start to shine. West Coast flavor, every moment divine. You grooving, feel that funky breeze. Oh yeah. Talk boxing and setting spirits at ease. Come on. From the hills to the shore, ain't no second guessing. In these Cali streets, we count every blessing. Cruising, grooving, that funky breeze. Oh yeah. Talk boxing and setting spirits at ease. Come on. From the hills to the shore, ain't no second guessing. Cali streets, we count every blessing.
Rolling slow, yeah. The sun's sinking low. Hitting up the boulevard, see the palm trees glow. Caddy drop top, got the rims on shine. West Coast living where it's always fine. Barbecue grilling, got the smoke in the air. Neighbors pulling up, good vibes everywhere. Talk box singing, let the synthesizer play. Grooving through the block like it's a Saturday. Slide, glide, take a ride. Oh, feel that sunshine, let the bass line flow. West Coast breeze, got the vibe on lock. Cruising all day, no tick-tick of the clock. Say, hit the beach, feet up in the sand. Ooh yeah. Wave to the ocean, yeah, it's part of the plan. Retro shades reflecting the sky. Out here vibing, making time stand by. Late night lights, city shining in gold. Story after story, all the legends were told. Cruisers hit the streets, hear the engines purr. Low riders dipping, making heads turn for sure. Slide, glide, take a ride. Feel that sunshine, let the bass line flow. West Coast groove, got the beat so sweet. Keep it rolling steady, feel the heat, feel the beat. Down the strip with the top peeled back. Sunshine beaming, yeah, the West where it's at. Palm trees swaying, cool breeze in the mix. Sidewalk popping, got my sneakers doing tricks. Hey, we riding real smooth. California grooves. Oh yeah, BBQ's fired up. Bring your crew. Retro vibes, it's what we do. Check it out. Beats on the track, got us feeling real good. Talk box vibes, bring the heat to the hood. Cruising down the boulevard, cypress trees wave. West Coast flavor that'll carry you for days. Oh, the ocean breeze, it calls my name. Seagulls and the sunset in this golden frame. That's right. Late night rhythm keeps it all so tame, so chill. West Coast dreams will never be the same. Hey, we riding real smooth, you know it. California grooves, ooh, that's right. BBQ's fired up, bring your crew. All day retro vibes, it's what we do. Ooh, yeah. Beach bikes rolling, neon lights at the park. Shine on, rooftop chillin', blazing vibes in the dark. Sitting high, sipping on that cold soda, pop real slow. West Coast magic, it's the only way to go. Bikes rolling, neon lights at the park. Shine on, rooftop chillin', blazing vibes in the dark. Sitting high, sipping on that cold soda, pop real slow. West Coast magic, it's the only way to go. Got secrets to spill. Painted asphalt whispers a soulful chill. Clouds pass slow like memories that fade. through the midnight, chasing dreams we made. Echo of your laugh, now a ghost in the shade. Every step a crack where the smile decayed. Voices in my head softly hum your tune, dancing with the shadows under a silver moon. Falling stars write your name across the sky. Every trail burns bright, but they won't tell me why. Colliding with the echoes where love used to bloom, in the deep of the night under a pale lit room. Street lamp flickers out, matches my doubt. Counting lonely steps, trying to map her out. Past the pain and the fear, beyond the cold air. Searching in the void like you'd still be there. Eyes shut tight, see the dreams barely glow. Fingers reach for nothing, just the wind that I know. Ocean tide crashing, in the chest waves break. Still drowning in your name, every breath I take. Falling stars write your name across the sky. Every trail burns bright, but they won't tell me why. Colliding with the echoes where love used to bloom, in the deep of the night under a pale lit room. City lights blink, they got secrets to spill. Painted asphalt whispers a soulful chill. Clouds pass slow like memories that fade. Walking through the midnight, chasing dreams we made. Echo of your laugh, now a ghost in the shade. Every step a crack where the smile decayed. Voices in my head softly hum your tune, dancing with the shadows under a silver moon. Falling stars write your name across the sky. Every trail burns bright, but they won't tell me why. Colliding with the echoes where love used to bloom, in the deep of the night under a pale lit moon. Street lamp flickers out, matches my doubt. Counting lonely steps, trying to map a route. Past the pain and the fear, beyond the cold air. Searching in the void like you'd still be there. Eyes shut tight, see the dreams barely glow. Fingers reach for nothing, just the wind that I know. Ocean tide crashing, in the chest waves break. Still drowning in your name, every breath I take. Falling shadows creep. Whispers of the city, secrets they keep. Underneath the street lamp steady burn. Life's a game of dice, wait in your turn. City lights shine, but they never show the truths we hide, the things we don't know. Concrete jungle beats in the air. Dreams take flight, but beware, beware. Graffiti tells tales on the subway line. Lost souls searching, trying to redefine. Echoes of struggle in alleys tight. Fighting for a moment under neon light. Corners home with the jazzy groove. Time stands still, it's hard to move. The rhythm of life, fast and slow. Navigate the maze, let the story flow. Truth raw and unrefined. Every line's a pulse from a vivid mind. Urban poets in the court of kings. Street symphonies when the corner sings. City lights shine, but they never show the truths we hide, the things we don't know. Jungle beats in the air. Dreams take flight, but beware, beware. Corners home with the jazzy groove. Time stands still, it's hard to move. The rhythm of life, fast and slow. Navigate the maze, let the story flow. Bare knuckle truth, raw and unrefined. Every line's a pulse from a vivid mind. Urban poets in the court of kings. Street symphonies when the corner sings. City lights shine, but they never show the truths we hide, the things we don't know. Concrete jungle beats in the air. Dreams take flight, but beware, beware. Down the strip with the top peeled back. Sunshine beaming, yeah, the west where it's at. Palm trees swaying, cool breeze in the mix. Sidewalk popping, got my sneakers doing tricks. Ayy, we riding real smooth, so smooth. California grooves, west side. BBQ's fired up, bring your crew. Retro vibes, that's what we do. Check it out, Butts on the track, got us feeling real good. Top box vibes, bring the heat to the hood. Cruising down the boulevard, cypress trees wave. West Coast flavor that'll carry you for days. The ocean breeze, it calls my name. Seagulls in the sunset in this golden frame. Late night rhythm keeps it all so tame. West Coast dreams will never be. We riding real smooth. California grooves. Ooh, that's right. BBQ's fired up, bring you crew. Metro vibes is what we do. Ooh, yeah. Beach bikes rolling, neon lights at the park. Rooftop chillin', blazing vibes in the dark. Sippin' on that cold soda pop real slow. West Coast magic is the only way to go. Neon lights at the park. Rooftop chillin', blazing vibes in the dark. Sippin' on that cold soda pop real slow. West Coast magic is the only way to go. At the park, rooftop chillin', blazing vibes in the dark. Sippin' on that cold soda pop real slow. West Coast magic is the only way to go.
Where the shadows creep, whispers of the city's secrets they keep. Underneath the street lamps steady burn. Life's a game of dice, waiting your turn. City lights shine, but they never show. The truths we hide, the things we don't know. Concrete jungle beats in the air. Dreams take flight, but beware, beware. On the subway line, lost souls searching, trying to redefine. Echoes of struggle and alleys tight, fighting for a moment under neon light. Corners hum with a jazzy groove. Time stands still, it's hard to move. The rhythm of life, fast and slow. Navigate the maze, let the story flow. Bare knuckle truth, born unrefined. Every line's a pulse from a vivid mind. Urban poets in the court of kings. Street symphonies when the corner sings. City lights shine, but they never show. The truths we hide, the things we don't know. Concrete jungle beats in the air. Dreams take flight, but beware, beware. raw and refined. Every line's a pulse from a vivid mind. Urban poets in the court of kings, street symphonies when the corner sings. City lights shine, but they never show the truths we hide, the things we don't know. Concrete jungle beats in the air. Dreams take flight, but beware, beware.